Okay, first thing is,
first thing is the
turn the computer on.
Right here.
Yeah.
And after that,
wait for the system to boot. We already zero set the machine, so it doesn't need to zero set again. Okay, computer's coming up. The most important part, well, we're going to pick the NT
version 4.
NT version 4. The most important part is the power up.
Correct. Now
we want to turn
the switch interlock on and
interlock on.
The power on.
Power on.
Yes. Make sure your emergency stop
is out.
Off, yes.
We want to turn the kV and to 0. Microamps all the way down. And once we get to that point, press Control Alt Delete.
No password.
No password. Just hit OK. We'll see how much I remembered.
Yes. That is the best way. Now you'll be having tech error. Say OK to that one.
And hit cancel because we're not connected to a network.
Yeah. They're going to ask you again because we don't have to connect it to the network.
It'll ask again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now we can do right now is open the RTI
580W program.
We'll click on that.
Now, do we have to bring the X-ray up again? Since we turned it off, we should. I want to do it so I remember.
Yes, the best thing you can do now is first put the block.
Oh, okay, that's right. We want to take and open this up, and we don't want to damage the camera. So we take this lead block and we place it over the top of the camera, so we won't damage it during power up.
Right.
Now what we're going to do is take the KV all the way down. Oh, we got to hit
cancel that.
Protection key was detected. We could OK. Was that because I opened the door?
Yes.
Okay.
Cancel it now. We cannot not necessary to turn the video right now for the system.
Okay, we don't need the video yet. We're just going to warm up the X-ray properly.
Correct.
So we turn these two knobs all the way to the left off, and we can hit X-ray on. It's going to pre-warm, done. Do we wait?
Yep, stop, off.
Off. Hit the off button, go up one click on each.
Yep.
X-ray on. Now, do you have to wait any time or no?
No, that's the waiting time. And
okay.
They give you the light here. Give you the light. This
okay. X-ray off. One notch. X-ray on.
Right. Now
off. On. What we're doing, is that okay?
Yeah, maybe.
Off. We're up to 50 now.
Off.
Okay.
This.
Off. And now we're at our normal setting, which they're marked on the display. And now we have a message, the client could not obtain the IP. It does that twice, so we hit
no.
No.
Go ahead. Say no.
Okay.
Now you can
open the program.
Make sure your X-ray is off.
Oh, make sure it's off?
Yes.
Okay, X-ray is off.
And your block is out.
Oh, and we got to take our block out. Before opening the program.
Before, well, it's better.
Okay, so the block is off. Now we've opened the program,
now
and we need to, well, turn the X-ray on.
Yes, turn the X-ray on.
It's on. If there is no image, how long does it take to come up?
Take around maybe...
Oh, there we go. We're getting an image.
15 seconds, will we count?
If we get no image, we bring the
KV
KV
first it will bring the microamps one notch.
Microamps up one notch.
And later on the KV one notch.
KV one notch.
Yeah, microamps, they generate your electrons, and the KV pull the electrons with speed. So now you have the X, Y shifting and the focus in here. Normally, good setting 0.
Okay, normally set at 0.
Yeah, we can shift a little bit the image. With this one, we lost resolution. You can shift to this image.
Okay.
How the flow electrons go through it, but we lost resolution in this.
Okay.
This one is a good picture. Later on, we have the X, Y, Z.
Okay, and we can drive the board around in the machine using the joysticks.
Yeah.
And you'll correspond over to the screen.
Right.
And you're looking at your picture.
Right. The
wow,
X,
that's really
Y,
nice.
Yeah. And later on, the Y here. Now, for your zoom, you use your C.
Yes, you can zoom in and zoom out.
And you can tilt the board.
On the X.
On the X, so you can tilt it to see the angles.
Okay.
You can see the barrels in there in the board.
Okay. You can tilt the board.
Yeah,
see the board being tilted back. Nice.
And this one, you can see the board zoom in.
Yeah. Zoom in and zoom out. Now, can you go too far? Can you hurt it?
Yes. You need to watch out when you're doing this.
You need to watch in here and make sure you don't hit.
Way down there.
Okay.
The board, not the.
Right.
But you can go this way. Actually, we can put a little bit more brightness by just the filament current.
He's adjusting the filament current and can get a little more brightness. And the number should be close to what the number is on the microamps, on the switch on the right. That digital number should be somewhat close. Now it's different.
80, 75, and 350. Get us very bright picture in there.
And that's 150. Okay.
So here we can just see the display is 75 kilovolts.
Right.
At 159 microamps.
Microamps, okay.
150. And we have
that's pretty bright. That might be almost too bright, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we're going back to 100.
To 170.
And 70. And we don't hurt the machine. How high can we take it before we hurt it?
We can go to 1,000.
You can go to 1,000.
The problem is exposure time. If you expose it for too long in 1,000, you create microamps. This one you can expose with no problem in an hour.
Okay, an hour.
That's the reasons the marks in here. That's a good safety area.
Okay.
If you go 1,000, you want to do a quick exposure, like exposure.
Right.
Take a capture.
Right.
Video capture, and that's it. You know.
Okay.
You can look at it like that. Yeah.
Now, when you do not want to leave this machine on.
No.
When you're done, you want to turn it off.
Turn it off.
You can have power connected to the machine, but the X-ray has to be off, otherwise you burn up a filament.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, so the machine is off, everything runs perfect. Real nice looking machine. And we had a quick little lesson. Thank you.